It is round 2 of fireworks display. Let's start the video. You can just hear some booms, booms, and booms, and booms. It's so long. Stand back up. So basically, fireworks just bang in the sky, and if it's bonfire night and you're trying to sleep very hard, I can't find any. Oh, what now? You can hear them. See some berry there. Sorry, I don't have any fireworks, so I had some sparklers. Here's some singers. Reminds me. Good songs. Whoa! TV. Oh, I missed it. Oh, you've missed it, haven't you? Oh, it's a big. Can you? It's like a heartbeat. It's like boom. So, talk about videos. I'm really sorry if my videos are not that good. Real shame. I just saw like massive fireworks in the end of last video, and I was like, oh god. I was so down. There's some fireworks. Awesome, aren't they? So I hope to see you in the next video. Like, it could be in 30 seconds.